Hi, welcome back. My name is Emily. In this video we will take a closer look at some products from Make Forte. I will be using the St. Paddy's Day lucky truck, but I will converting this car into a love truck because tomorrow is Valentine's Day and I wanted to create a Valentine's card. I haven't created that many of them. I have created some, but not enough. And I love having a lot of pretty cards just looking at. So I hope that you are going to have a lovely day tomorrow and maybe celebrating Valentine's Day. I know that I will not be doing much of a celebration because my Sambo Andreas is working tomorrow, so I will be alone with the kids, but that is okay as well. It will be a nice day for me and the kids. So you could see here I got ahead and together with my daughter we created a lot of die cut hearts out of some fun mirror cardstock, or mirror cardstock, is that the right word? It's more a holographic cardstock, I should say. It's from Nuvo, and I cut away all the lucky clovers from the truck, and I will be instead putting a lot of fun hearts on top of it to create some dimension as well as making this into a love truck. So for my background, I took this slimline stencil also from Make Forte called Square Matrix, and I used a couple of lawn fawn colors. I decided to go with some teal and some green colors, and I just thought that would be a good complementary, or maybe not the right word, but a good contrasting color for my red pink love truck here. So that was the thought, and I thought it looked a little bit funny when the car was just hanging there it wasn't grounded in anything. So I decided to create these graphic gray strips just to ground my car a little bit more. And if you have a good imagination, you could think of it like a road or something like that, but I just wanted something to ground this image, and I thought it looked good to have two strips of these, one on top and one on the bottom. So here is our first card, and I will use a sentiment from the Simple Sayings, also from Make Forte, that says you have a heart of gold. So this is a card you really can send to anybody. So for my second project for today, I decided to create my own background pattern, and I will be using this lucky truck once more. And you can see I didn't have a large enough acrylic block to fit my car on top of it, and I didn't want to use my Misty because sometimes when you create a pattern like this, I just want to have the flexibility to move my image around. So I just took two pieces of the same height of acrylic blocks and just paired them together, and that way I could have a larger one. So that worked out really great. And a tip, if you are not having the right size of everything, you don't have to have the right size, you just have to be creative when you are using it. So after I used a lot of green teal colors on top of this white Nina 80-pound cardstock, I decided to go ahead and use some sentiment as well, just to embellish the white spaces a little bit more. And I also used a cardstock from Make Forte called Welsh Dragon. I believe it's called Welsh Dragon. I will have it listed down below, as well as all the other products that I am using in this video. And I created a mat, but I am a little bit conservative with my cardstock because I love that color so much. So I cut away the middle part or the center part so I can use that to die cut maybe something in the future. And I used a die from a Swedish company that just says hug, and that is also a neutral sentiment, so you can send this to anybody. And I love that the colors on this card are a little bit more masculine, even though I used these sparkles to create my hug cut die cut there. So these were my 2 projects for today. I hope you liked these ones. If you want even more information, you can check out the blog post over at Make a Forte's website, and I will leave links down below for everything. I hope you have a great Valentine's Day if you are celebrating it, and that you have a great week. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye.